Okay, this is where I live. So, there's the road over there. Here's my neighbor. Okay, I'm gonna take you inside. This is our, we call it the mud room. It's kind of where we hang up our coats and recycle things, put our shoes. We go inside. Turn here. This is the kitchen. It's little, but it works. So, you can see the living room. We have a bathroom right here. It's really little, but again, it does what it needs to do. You know, just teeny little bathroom. Okay, bring you over here. This is our living room. This is, it of course used to be much more spacious, but then we had a baby and you know how that goes. So here's our little table, rocker right there, Tony, couch. There's baby, he's playing with a toy. There's our TV and stuff, computer, the swing. And I'll take you downstairs. There's really not much down here. The workout down here. There's the, you know, washer and dryer. This is all Tony's hockey stuff and stroller. We just use it for storage, basically. You know, stuff we get at Sam's Club. We keep down here. Here's a TV so that I can work out, do DVDs and stuff. These are just boxes and storage. You know, just a, you know, regular basement. Nothing too exciting about it. Alright. Take it back here. Bye. Here's our backyard. If it'll. We're the only ones without a fence, if you can see. This is what the back of our house looks like. Those are, yeah, the same houses that we live in, just across the way. This is where baby takes his naps. Here's a back door. We've got a teeny tiny little porch outside. And I'll take you. Hi! I'll take you upstairs. And show you. Here's another bathroom. No, just a bathroom, nothing exciting. Here's a baby's room. Just crib. And an extra bed. Got a double closet. Show you the view from the front of the house. Those are our garages. Okay. It's just a closet. We'll keep towels and stuff. Here's our room. Nothing special in here either. Just a room to sleep in. And the view from upstairs. Nothing too special. That's about it. We'll go back downstairs to the baby. I'll show you our porch really quick. That's where we smoke. That's it. And say hi. Say hi. Go. Kisses. She said bye-bye.